Hello and welcome to Bid It, Bill It. This is for the first time users. We're going to download and set up our Bid It, Bill It apps. Go to the Apple App Store, type in Bid It, Bill It. It typically shows up as fast, easy invoices. Mine is already here, but if you didn't, instead of saying open, it would say get. So once you've downloaded the app, we will then click on the app. We're going to need to do a couple things to set it up so that it prints and or emails properly. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the fourth button down called Settings, Contractor Profile, the hammer and the wrench. Click on that. Click on the second button down called Contractor Profile. This is your business name. There is a default John Q. Tester Contractor. I'm going to leave that as my business name, but any of this, you know how to change it. Just click on a line. Your keypad will come up and you're finished. Anytime you make any changes, click on the bottom button that says Save Profile. If you don't, it will not save that. Go back out. Second thing you'll need to do is create a customer. So that's the top line. Create a customer. In this case, I'm going to leave the default John Q customer as the test one. If you needed to add anything, you'd say Add New at the top right. And again, add in all the data you want and then save in the bottom right-hand corner. If you don't save, it won't be there. Before you create your first invoice, you're going to need to click on a customer. This is John Q. So we're here, we're good. Check, make sure if everything's correct. If you need to change anything, change it. And again, click Save, bottom right-hand corner. If not, upper left-hand arrow, back, back. Now, we can create our first invoice. Second button down, New Invoice or Quote. Click on that. I'm going to use, in this example, Handyman Services. So click on Handyman Services at the bottom. And there are preset tags. Any of these can be changed. If you just hold down, you can change the tag on there. I'm going to choose Custom. I always click on the little circle just because it's a habit. And then you have to put a quantity in there. If not, it has nothing to multiply. So I'm going to put one quantity and I'm going to change the price point to say 250. Debris cleaning is what I want. That's fine. You click done. Now you'll need to click next at the bottom. And if you'll notice at the upper right-hand corner, the default is on quote, or it's actually on quote. You can click it and change it to invoice. You can click from invoice to quote, back and forth. Doesn't matter. It'll just show up on the end user invoice. Now, I don't have email set up here, but if I did, you could click on the email button and it will actually go straight out to your email. Otherwise, you could go to your printer and print the invoice as is. About 5 minutes and you're ready to go. If you want to save this invoice to your database, you could click on Save or Don't Save. Either one. If you save it, you can look it up later. Download Bid It, Bill It in the Apple App Store for free today. Simplify your business. Bid It, Bill It.